Welcome, Dr. Stanzie here. There are a few ways that you can work with me. First, check out my free online workshop. This will help you to address areas of stress in your life. If you'd like to go deeper, check out the Energetic Alignment. This is my signature program to help people heal, transform, and awaken. I offer this in person or online. So if you aren't able to travel or to make it to an in-person session, join us online. It's just as powerful. I also have an online course called Align to Abundance. This is an 8-week program to help you get more clarity on your purpose and to manifest the life that you really want. It has a series of meditations, guidance, and healing processes to help you do this. Lastly, you can work with me one-on-one. You can check out the scheduler and book in at your earliest convenience. However, I highly recommend that you do the other options first before considering doing a one-on-one session with me. Also, when I work with people one-on-one, we do deeper inner work, and I highly recommend that people do a session weekly for 1 month minimum. So please consider these things before you book in a one-on-one session. I look forward to working with you and assisting you on your journey of self-discovery and awakening.